Hello and welcome. Today we are going to find out how to create an account on Facebook, whether on a mobile phone or on a computer. If we are on a computer, we just need to launch our internet browser. In the address bar, type facebook.com. Arrived on the website, we are directly offered to create a new account. If you are on the phone, you can also use its mobile application. In this case, if we are on iPhone, we go to the App Store. For on Android device, on the Play Store. In the search bar, type Facebook. Select it and install it. After its installation, we'll open it. When it opens, there too, at the bottom, we're offered to create a new Facebook account. By pressing Next, the application asks us for access to certain features of our phone, which we authorize or not according to our will. Next, we are prompted to enter our first name and last name. By pressing Next, we indicate our date of birth. In the next step, we also communicate our gender. Then, to register, we have two possibilities, or from our phone number or with our email address. For the example, we'll do it from this one. After that, it's necessary to choose a password for the connection, observing the security instructions. Then, by validating on Next, we are informed that by registering, we automatically accept the condition of use of the platform and the data attached to it. So, we confirm our registration. Afterwards, at the end of the creation of our account, a message is automatically sent to our mailbox, in which we found a confirmation code, which will indicate on this new screen. And that will confirm. Finally, we can see the connection of our account on the platform and access to the various features and services offered on it by Facebook.